Hey guys, welcome back to my art channel Jashan. Today we are going to create an ancient Indian painting, which is a painting of Radha Krishna. So we are going to use these colors today and we are going to paint on this canvas. So let's get started with this video. So let us start with the sketch of painting visible on the left side of the screen. That is original artwork. The original artwork is of different dimensions, which is having lot more length than its breadth, and I am using a small canvas which is of size 8 by 10 inches. So I have to cut some lower body portion of both the characters in this painting, but other things I am going to paint in the same way. I am going to imitate everything completely. As you can see, I have drawn a cross in the center from where I am taking an idea of things to draw by comparing the distance from this cross. Now, as I'm done with the sketch and have taken colors out of my palette, so we are going to paint this artwork. I am starting with Radha's face. She is wearing yellow silk on her forehead, and her skin color I have prepared by mixing a little bit of orange in the white shade. You know what is the key point in this? We need to paint edges with little dark shade and center with its tint, mean with the light shade, as I'm doing in this. The edges of everything is little bit darker than the center. This will provide a realistic kind of touch to a painting. I am doing same for her other revealing body parts, like for her stomach, for her arms. Everywhere we are going to follow same technique. As I'm done with her skin, so I am going to paint the background with sky blue kind of shade. We need to paint a very thick layer of paint here because we are not going to paint a lot of layers. So we are not mixing water in the paint, we are directly applying very thick layer of paint. Now I am going to paint Krishna with blue shades. You may wonder that why we paint Krishna in blue shades. Why can't we paint him in skin tones like other humans? So I have few answers for you guys, and I am going to tell all these answers along with this painting. So the first one answer is, the legends tell us that Lord Krishna drank poisoned milk given by a demon when he was a baby, and that poisoned milk caused the bluish tinge in his skin, so we paint him in blue shade. And there are a lot more explanations for this. Another explanation is something that is vast or huge or beyond perception, like ocean or sky, is of blue shade. So as Krishna is Lord and he is beyond imagination, he is everywhere, so we paint him in blue shade. This is also depicting blue aura. Some people say that Krishna was Ghanshyam, mean he had complexion like rainy clouds. So this means that he was of dark skin complexion. So we depict him in blue shade in painting to make him a little bit more beautiful, we can say, or some kind of godly. So these were the explanations behind this. I hope these may help to you. Now as I'm done by painting his skin, so now I am going to paint Lotus and his crown turban with pink shade. To provide details in this, I am going to use white and black shade. As they both were North Indians, so they were having black hairs that I am going to paint. I am painting their dresses as in the original painting. Radha's dress is of pink shade, which is providing a very beautiful balance of the colors, as the background is blue and this is pink, so both the colors are complementing each other, and really this is making the painting look more beautiful. And this painting is some kind of romantic painting, so they were very romantic couple. So I am painting the dress in same way, exactly same way, with very thin fabric, and I am painting the same kind of romance that those painters added in their painting. So I am trying to add each and everything in this painting exactly in the similar way. Now I am going to paint Krishna's dress in orange or saffron kind of shades, which is again complementing the background. After completing their dresses, I painted their eyes and other facial features which are very similar to Mughal paintings. They are having sharp pointed nose and big eyes. You know, in Mughal paintings, eyes must contain some kind of bluish shade. This can be blue eyeliner or blue iris. So I painted blue iris in this and black eyeliner. So these paintings are really looking deeper like ocean and too beautiful. Now we are moving forward to paint the jewelry, which is of golden shade obviously. I am mixing deep yellow with a little bit of burnt sienna for this and painting every jewelry piece with this shade. The laces of their dresses are also of this shade as they are royal people. They are wearing so much jewelry made of beads and of gold. So for painting the jewelry made up of beads or pearls, I need to start by painting a brown line, which I am going to paint using burnt sienna and burnt umber shade, and then we have to apply dots with white paint or any other shade to paint beads, jewels and pearls. While giving details to the jewelry, let me tell you that why she is having lotus in her hand, not any other flower. Like there are a lot more beautiful flowers, as rose is the symbol of love, and this is the painting which is depicting love. So why they painted lotus only, not the rose? So as per Indian values, lotus is considered as very pure flower. Even though this flower is having its roots in mud, but mud can't touch this flower, which makes it more amazing flower. This flower depicts that this painting is depicting the people who are enlightened. As enlightened humans live life beyond the things. They are not having materialistic desires. They are beyond all these things. They are more connected to the God. As we are depicting God itself in the painting, so to take the painting away from all the materialistic things, even they are wearing gold, they are rich, they are having everything, but they are not having any kind of greed for these things. So to depict this, they painted lotus instead of rose. Now after providing details to the painting, I am moving towards the outer design. Firstly painting the red shade, and then I have to apply masking tape to paint the border very neatly and easily. After applying the tape, I am painting it with a mix-up of burnt umber and burnt sienna shade, and then I am going to paint a very beautiful pattern on it, which is of golden shade. For painting it, I am going to use mostly mix-up of cadmium yellow and white paint, but I am also going to use a little bit of lemon yellow in it. This pattern is a bit different from original artwork because that original painting is of huge size and I am recreating it on very small canvas, and also the dimensions are not same. So I have to miss some details in this pattern because that pattern must be painted in some inches and I am going to paint it in very small space, like in some centimeters. So there is a huge difference between both the sizes of canvases. As I'm done with this border pattern, I am going to remove the tape and paint beautiful pattern in red painted area. This pattern must have symmetry in it and must be same on both the sides. After completing this pattern, let me outline these with black paint or with black marker to pop out each and every component. And this painting is really amazing, guys. I am really loving the process to recreate it. So this painting is now ready, guys. It's looking amazing. What do you think about this? Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video because I am working really very hard. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to watch more art videos. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and it is looking amazing.